where life happens. You'll find Charter Next Generation. From the food we eat to the air we breathe and the homes we live in, our specialty films and material science solutions safeguard what matters most, protecting life's most precious moments. Waste, emissions, growing demand. We see them not as obstacles, but as opportunities to innovate. With next-generation material science, we design smarter, safer, more sustainable solutions that are essential to everyday life. Our films fight food waste, keeping meals fresh longer, and keeping more out of landfills. Because cutting waste doesn't just save dinner, it cuts emissions. We protect medical supplies that protect lives, delivering them sterile, secure, and ready when it matters most. We safeguard the places we call home, inside and out. Our advanced materials use less energy and generate fewer emissions than rigid packaging, without compromising performance. Made with up to 60% recycled content and backed by hundreds of certifications of recyclability, we're building a more sustainable future, one solution at a time. We're more than 2,600 employee owners, driven by our purpose to enhance lives. Each of us owning the work, the impact, and the difference we make every day. And that purpose extends into our communities. Give back, show up, and help build a better future together. From production floors to your front door. CNG delivers more than film, more than packaging. We deliver essential solutions that enhance life every day. Because when every moment matters, we're there. And we're just getting started. Charter Next Generation, enhancing lives for a better world.